In this video I am going to solve something related to algebra, that is exercise 4a of D2 7th edition. Question number is 11 and a part of question number 15. I am solving this question as some of my friends asked me to do so. Rest of the questions I am solving in a sequence wise from various T's, so keep watching and subscribe the channel if you haven't done it yet. So moving to the question, so this is related to factorization, and we have to use the technique of midterm break to solve these questions. So moving to the question, a square, this is question number 11 part a square plus 3ab minus 4b square. Now we have three terms over here and we are going to do midterm break. When you need to factorize and you have three terms, then midterm break is the possibility, and in that case we have to break the midterm in two parts, in two component parts, in such a way that this number 3 should be the result of the addition or subtraction of factors of this number. Here we have got 1. Initially we multiply 4 and 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Now factorize 4, and the factors of 4 are, the possible factors of 4 are 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. These are possible factors of 4. Now if I am going to use these factors, if you add them, 2 plus 2, it will give you 4, but basically we need 3, we need the middle term. So 4 plus 1 is 5 if we use this pair of factors, while 4 minus 1 will give you 3. So we are going to use these two factors, 4 and 1. So plus 4 minus 1, this is 1 AB, plus 4 minus 1 will give you plus 3. So we have AB with 3, so write AB with 4 and AB with 1. So the midterm is now basically broken down, or it is split now in two parts, and these parts are basically factors of this number 4, which comes from multiplication of this number and this number. So 4 into 1 is 4, factors of 4 are 1 and 4 and 2 and 2. So we are going to use that pair whose addition or subtraction will give us the middle term, that is 3ab. Now because we have to factorize, now take out common from the first two and from the last two. From the first two we have a common, a is here as well as here, so take out a as common. So we are left with a over here, because out of this square a is taken out as common, so we are left with single power of a raised to the power 1 plus 4b. A is taken out as common. Now from these two we will take out b as common, so b will be taken out as common, as well as minus, we will take out minus as well, a common. So when you will take out b, we are left with a and 4b, while minus is taken out as common, we have to change the sign. This is minus over here, this is plus. So now this is one factor a plus 4b and the second factor is a minus b. So the answer for this part number b is c square minus 4cd minus 21d square. Again we have three terms we have to factorize, and the process of midterm break will be applied over here. This is 21, while we have 1 here with c square. So 21 into 1 is 21 into 1. Multiply this number with this one, you will get 21. Now factorize 21. Now we have got 3 into 7 as these are the basically product of prime factors that will give you 21. Now 7 into 3 is 21, that is agreed, while 7 minus 3 is 4. Basically I have to look this number, I have to add or subtract these factors which are factors of 21. Now we have to add or subtract by observing this number. If I want 4, then subtraction will give me 4, and if 4 is negative, so minus sign will be used with a bigger number, which is minus. So minus 7cd plus 3cd, these two factors are used over here, whose subtraction basically will give me minus 4cd. Minus 7cd plus 3cd, here basically minus 7cd is being added with 3cd. However, the result is minus 4cd because minus is with the bigger number. So minus 7cd plus 3cd is basically minus 4cd. So the middle term is basically broken down into two terms which are obtained from the factors of 21. So take out common from the first two. So c is common from the first two, and from here 3 as well as d. 3 as well as d, they are common. So take out 3d. from here if you will take c as common, you will be left here with c minus 7d plus 3 will be taken out as common and d will be taken out as common. So 3 will c will be over here minus 3 how many times 21, 3 7 times 21, and when you will take out d as common out of this d square, you are left with d 1d d power 1 over here. So one factor is c minus 7d, another factor is c plus 3d. Part number C, 2h square plus 7hk plus minus 15k square. Okay, again we have three terms, we have to factorize, so we are going to use the midterm break technique over here. This is 15, this is 2, multiply them. 15 into 2 is 30. The factors of 30 are 6 into 5 and 10 into 3. Now from these pairs of factors, you have to use that pair which will give you 7. 6 plus 5 is 11, 6 minus 5 is 1, 10 plus 3 is 13, 10 minus 3 will give you 7. So we are going to use 10 minus 3 which will give me 7 hk. So this will become 10 hk minus 3 hk, the result is 7 hk. So the midterm is now broken down into two parts. Now from first two take out common, from the last two take out common. Whatever is common from the first two h is common, from the last two minus 3 k is common. So 2 is taken out as common, h is taken out as common, we are left here with only 1 h plus 2 5 times 10, h is out and k is left over here minus 3k. Now 3 is out, k is out, you are left with h over here, minus is converted into plus because we have taken out minus as common. So here we are having plus, and because minus is outside the bracket now, and 3 5 times 15 and 1 k is taken out as common, so you are left with k power 1 inside the bracket. One factor is h plus 5k, second factor is 2h minus 3k. Part number D, question number 11, 3m square minus 16mn minus 12. Now multiply these two numbers, 12 and 3. Now 12 3 times 36. The factors of 36 are 6 and 6, 6 into 6 and 18 into 2. We have 12 into 3 as well, but basically my purpose is fulfilled using these two factors. Because 18 minus 2 will give me 16, I have to use that pair whose addition or subtraction will give me this number, the middle term. 18 minus 2 is 16, so minus 18 plus 2. Why minus 18? Because 16 is minus. So if your middle term is negative, use minus with a bigger number so that your answer is the same as the middle term. Sign should be same as the middle term has. So from here take out common from the first two and then take out common from the last two. From the first two, 3 is common, 3 and 3 is also a factor of 18. So 3 is common, m is common, m is here as well as over here. So 3m is common. Over here you are left with m minus 3 6 times 18, m is taken out as common and you are left with n over here. Plus, now from here you can take out 2 as common and n as common, you are left with m minus 2 6 times 12, and out of this n square, 1 n is taken out as common, you are left with 1 n inside. So one factor is m minus 6 n, while the other one is 3m plus 2n. Part number E, question number 11, 3p square plus 15pq plus 18q square. Now 18 and 3 will be multiplied, now that is 54. 18 into 3 is 54, multiply these two, you will get 54, and the factors of 54 are 9 into 6. This pair of factor will give me my midterm. Upon addition of 9 and 6, 9 plus 6 will give me 15. So these two factors upon addition will give me the middle term. So middle term will be broken down into two parts. 15 will be broken down into 9 and 6. From the first two take out common and from the last two take out common. From the numbers 3 and 9 you can take out 3 as common. From the variables here, from p square and pq, you can take out p as common. P is over here as well as over here. Okay, so 3 is taken out as common, p is taken out as common, we are left with p power 1 inside the bracket plus 3 times 9, p is taken out as common, you are left with q, plus 6 is taken out as common, 6 is also a factor of 18, and q is taken out as common, you are left with p plus 6 3 times 18. Out of this q square, 1 q is taken out as common, we are left here with q power 1. So one factor is p plus 3q, which are inside the bracket. One factor is this one, 3p plus 6q. These are two factors. Part number F, question number 11, exercise 4a, 2r square t minus 9rs plus 10s square t, multiply the 10 and 2, you will get 20. 10 into 2 is 20. Now the factors of 20 are 5 into 4, 10 into 2, Now this pair of the factors is what will give me the desired result in the midterm, that is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. However, this 9 is negative. So with 5 and 4 I will use negative sign, so that my result is minus 9. From the first two take out common, from the last two take out common, from the first two r is common and t is common. So you are left with 2r minus r is taken out as common, t is taken out as common. We are left with 5 and s minus 2 s, t is taken out as common because 2 is common. 2 is a common factor of 4 and 10. S is common, t is common. So 2st is common, minus is also taken out as common. So when 2 is taken out as common, so 2 times 4, so 2 is over here inside the bracket, 2 times 4, r is inside the bracket, s is outside the bracket, so you need not to write s over here, and t is also taken out as common, so we now need not to write t over here. Minus, why this is plus, over here it is minus, because I have taken out minus over here as common. So when you will take minus as common, you have to change this sign. This is plus over here, now it is minus. 2 5 times 10, out of this s square 1 s is taken out as common, so I am left with only s power 1 over here, while this t is taken out as common. So the two factors are 2r minus 5s, one factor, and other factor rt minus 2st. Now from observation, rt minus 2st has a common factor as well, t. Now take out t as common, so your factorization is now t r minus 2s and 2r minus 5s. Question number 15, part A and B. The same concept applies here. Midterm break, x square y square plus 2xy minus 15. Now over here I have got 1. So 15 into 1 is 15, and the factors of 15 are 5 into 3. Now 5 and 3 are those factors whose subtraction will give me this 2. Middle term, 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5 minus 3 will give me 2xy. So I have basically divided this midterm into two parts. 5 minus 3, that is 2x. Take out common from the first two and from the last two. From the first two, xy is common. So because xy is common, one x and one y will be inside the bracket, then plus. From here xy is taken out as common, you are left with 5 minus 3 is taken out as common because xy is present over here. We don't have got any xy over here, so xy will be inside the bracket. I have taken out minus as common. When you will take out minus common over here, this sign will be changed. Minus will be converted into plus. So I will be left with 5 over here because 3 is taken out common from these two. So 3 is not present over here because I have taken out this 3 outside. And 3 5 times 15. So I am left with 5 over here. So this is the possible factorization. The one factor is xy plus 5, the other is xy minus 3. The next one is part number B. 40 into 12 will give you 480. Now do factorization of 480. Out of these factors, 32 and 15. 32, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32. When you will multiply these, you will get 32, while this is 5 into 3, 15. So 32 and 15 are the factors whose subtraction will give you 17. 32 minus 15 is 17. However, minus 17 is over here, so 32 will be minus and 15 will be plus. The reason is that I have to get the sign of the middle term, which is negative. So I will put minus with 32, the bigger number, so that my answer is minus 17. Minus 32 plus 15. 32 and 15 are factor of 480, which is the result of multiplication of 40 and 12. So 32 minus 15 is minus 17. Now take out common from the first two and from the last two. From the first two, 4xy is common. 4xy is common. 4 3 times 12. 1x is taken out as common. I am left with 1x inside the bracket. 1y is taken out as common. I am left with 1y inside the bracket. Minus 4, 8 times 32. xy is taken out as common. Plus 5 is taken out as common from these two. 5 3 times 15. So xy is inside the bracket, and minus 5, 8 times 40. One factor is 3xy minus 8, one factor is 4xy plus 5. So this is the factorization for question number 11 and question number 15 from exercise 4a. The rest of the parts will be uploaded in the next lesson. Keep watching. I like to add one more thing over here, that from here you can take 3 common further. So it will be 3 when take out common from here. It will become p plus 3q. Because 3 is taken out common from these two, and this will be p plus 3q. So that will be added over here. Thank you so much.